This is a revolutionary book, Basic Christianity, Facts, Evidences, and Reasons. But the term basic is misleading. There is little in this book that you've ever read before. In this case, basic refers to the foundational facts, archaeological evidences, and logical reasons why Christianity is unlike any other religion that ever rose to prominence. Christianity, Facts, Evidences, and Reasons is based on the phenomenal lecture series delivered by Dr. Stan Walters, an ancient language expert from Yale. Also included are over 50 beautiful archaeological photographs and 33 Johnny Hart cartoons about Christianity. It's available now at ninevehscrossing.com.